Hi friends, today we are making delicious breaded teriyaki chicken. First, in a medium saucepan, combine mirin, soy sauce, Japanese sake, brown sugar, and honey. Mix these together. Now add in a pound of chicken thigh meat, marinate the chicken for 1 hour. Now for the breading. In a large saucepan, combine all-purpose flour with panko breadcrumbs, kosher salt, and white pepper powder. Mix these together. When ready, place the marinated chicken into the flour mixture and lightly coat. Now we're ready to cook the chicken. In the medium pan over medium-high heat, add canola oil, Once the chicken is fully cooked and golden brown, remove the chicken, add in the remaining marinade, and bring it to boil over high heat. Boil the marinade until it begins to thicken. And here you have delicious breaded teriyaki chicken. Sweet, crunchy, and delicious. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoy watching our video. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. Please remember to subscribe.